Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're coming from. My good names are McLean, and today I'm doing laundry. Today I'm not going to cook, I'm doing laundry, guys. I'm doing laundry. Sorry. Finished. Today I'm doing laundry, guys. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment. And guys, let me know how much does water cost per unit in your area. I was shocked today that I was told per unit we are supposed to pay 400 shillings per unit. Is that logical, or is it making any sense? Let me know guys on the comment section. Because this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. I'm still thinking about it. Water cost 400 per unit, and so far I've used 3 units. And I normally do my laundry twice a week. How much does water cost in your area, guys? Let me know. How much does water cost in your area, guys? Because this is crazy. And to make the matters worse, it's not like the water is coming from the city county. The water is just a borehole. Borehole water. And it's being sold for 400 shillings per unit. It's crazy. Let me know how much does the water cost in your area, guys. does the water cost? Maybe no. Don't mind about the background noise. There's construction going on. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe, like, share, comment. And I'll appreciate it. And to my returning subscriber, thank you. God bless you. To my new subscriber, thank you. Let's move together, guys. And also let me know how much does water cost in your area. Can't imagine here in Nairobi, I'm buying water and yet at home I fetch water for free of charge, water at home. And here I'm going to pay around 2,000 for water only. Is this logical? Really? Is this really fair? Let me know on the comment section if it's really fair, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, let me not complain, but I thank God that I'm alive, I'm good, my family is in good health, and I pray for everyone around me. I pray for my boss, my dad, my siblings. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for watching. Love you guys, and God bless you for me. Now I'm going to hang them on the hanging line. Thank you guys for keeping me company. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Here's my cloth. I'm going to hang them, guys. Here. Thank you for watching.